visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal readings. Let's check po kung ano na yung nangyayari sa paligid, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lamang, no? Take what's only yours. I also want you to know na believe in the divine timing dahil this is a timeless reading, no? Ibig sabihin kung kailan nyo po makita itong video na ito, the message is meant to find you. Let's start with the reading with the Eight of Swords and the Three of Pentacles. So parang meron ditong nahihigpitan dito sa relationship na ito, no? Parang iniisip yata nitong person na ito whether this is you or yung person mo. You can switch the energies dahil what I am reading is the dynamic naman. Eight of Swords, parang sabi niya nasasakal na ako, hindi ako makawala, no? Parang wala akong laya, hindi ko magawa ang gusto ko. Or parang napapansin ko na my person is humihigpit, which I feel like there is no freedom anymore, no? With the Eight of Swords, let's clarify why that person feels that way. Kasi parang napapansin dito, parang feeling din niya, no? Na masyadong na-obsessed si person sa akin. With the Ten of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. It kind of make me feel na it is because of passion, no? Ganun kasi kamahal. That's understandable when it comes to material things, diba? Kapag mahal yung bagay, naturalmente, no? Iniingatan natin yan. Let's say bags. Well, actually, I have for me that's an expensive bag na, no? That might not be an expensive bag to others, pero sa status ko financially, that is already a bag that is parang bihira akong mabili at siguro hindi na ako bibili uli. So ang ginagawa ko dun sa bag is pinupunasan ko, I make sure na nakatabi siya, naka-estante pa, no? I'm making sure I'm checking it. Meron din akong biniling mga leather conditioners, no? Leather wipes. Yan. So para at least yung leather spray also para protect, no? At hindi mag-chipped itong leather bags. Syempre I'm making sure na hindi ito nakukutkot ng mga mababait. So yung ibang bags naman, no, yung ibang tote bag, ayan, nakasabit siya. Hindi naman sa wala akong pakialam. Masino pa ako sa gamit. It just so happened, I know that it is not going to happen again. Kaya, that bag is protected. Ayan. Parang ganun din naman. Sa isang relasyon, di ba? Kung mahal mo talaga and that, you know, person is valuable, I'm pretty much sure that everyone can relate to this. Iniingatan ko lang. But kasi yung dating dun sa other side, that's someone else's perspective, yung nag-iingat. Pero I feel like doon pagdating sa side nung pinoprotektahan, parang napapansin nito na I think that my person is doing too much, a little extra, no? And it felt like medyo um, medyo nasasakal ako, no? I am also seeing na medyo din, um, parang na-OA yan, no? Itong other person who views in a different perspective. Nandun siya sa kabilang side. So, with the Queen of Pentacles and the Three of Swords, pwede rin kasi ditong because ginawa ko naman na lahat, no? I actually invested a lot. It can be I invested money to this person. I invested also time, energy, effort. Lalo na siguro yung time, no? Hindi ko sinasabing wala namang value yung investment natin ng pera. Actually, pera yon. Kaya nga siya may value, di ba? May piso, may 1,000. So, alam natin yung halaga. Pero kasi 'di ba sabi nga nila, 'pag pera kaya mo naman uling kitain 'yan. Pero yung time, you can never turn back the hands of time and gawin uli yung mga bagay, 'no? 'Pag ito ba nag-fail, kaya ko bang ibalik yung time na nagsimula kami? Puwedeng sabihin kong hindi ko na lang entertain. Aba kung puwede palang i-reset, 'di sana gano'n na lang lahat, 'di ba? Ang iniingatan mo dito, 'no, time is running and siyempre kung babae ka, you're also protecting your youth, no? Alam naman natin, hindi naman ito ikakaila, hindi man siya magandang practice or pananaw, pero this actually happens, no, in real life. Alam naman natin na bukod sa ang babae ay merong, kumbaga expiration date ang kanilang ovaryo, 'di ba? Meron diyaang mga na me-menopause, 'di ba? So, kapag ba-menopause na ako, makakahanap pa rin ba ako, no? Kapag nagkaroon na ng ibang person o kapag pumilekis na ako, nagkaroon na ako ng mga wrinkles, makakahanap pa ba ako, no? That's actually one of the fears kasi pagdating sa lalaki, hangga't, tumatayo yan at kaya pa, no, may possibility pang puwedeng magkaanak, how about me, no? At saka alam naman natin na, you know, men are actually visuals, not all, but most, no? Well, meron din namang mga lalaki nagkakagusto sa tinatawag nilang MILF, no? Or cougar, or yung medyo may edad na, no? Pero chances are, mas malaki yung mas na-attract sa bata. It has been a practice, hundreds of years ago. So yun yung parang pinoprotect mo dito with the Four of Pentacles. Parang nakakakita tayo dito ng, I think it's a little extra nga, no? Mahigpit, the Four of Pentacles. Again, this might be a perspective, itong reading na ito, no? Might be a perspective of the other person. Kaya nagkakaroon ito ng ganitong energy na medyo nasasakal ako. So, with the Nine of Cups, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. So, at first, actually, mahal ka naman nitong taong to. When it comes to emotion, yes, this person loves you. This person actually have feelings for you. Value the connection as well. Parang sa kanya, hindi ko na kailangang i-secure pa kasi secured ka na sa buhay ko, sa puso ko. But then again, na-OA yan lang, no, or nahihigpitan. That becomes this person's complaint. Parang it's a little too much. Doon tayo umiikot eh. Things are becoming too much for the other person, the Two of Swords, and the Two of Wands. So, parang ito yung may dumi, sorry. Ganun ka, yung mata ko, may alikabok. I have, kasi, na siya, nangangate. I have, allergic, no? Allergic ako sa dust. Kaya, I have different, vacuum. Meron akong bed vacuum, may vacuum ako dito. I don't know where it's coming from, probably dito sa aircon. Anyway, Nasaan na tayo? Yon. I feel like ito yung magiging reason bakit magkakaroon ng pause. I'm not seeing separation, na total separation, na ito na yung pinaka, yung wala nang balikan. It may be a pause, it may be a cool off kind of thing. Kasi with the Two of Swords, parang gusto ko munang magpahinga. Hindi na ako makahinga, no? So, I feel like kung sino man ang masyadong mahigpit, whether this is you or your person, I feel like medyo, sabi nga nila, diba, when you love someone, wag naman yung masyadong luwag, no? Kasi when you actually hold a grain of sand, magiging stiff siya kapag masyadong mahigpit, no? Pag binuka mo uli yan, parang buo-buo na siya because of also the moisture, what have you. Pag masyado naman maluwag yung hawak mo, medyo, magfo-flow din yan or flow, yung lalabas din yan, you know what I mean? Pero kapag tama lang naman yung hawak mo, it's, masusustain yung tamang moisture, yung pinaka-itsura, no, nung sand. What I'm trying to say in here is baka kasi someone is becoming a little extra and the other person's being suffocated, no? Tamang hawak lang. Kung security man ang inyong issues dito, actually the person is telling me through energies of the cards na secure naman kayo, no? So this is your reading. Kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate dito, let me know sa comment section. And ayan na. Let me know sa comment section. And if you have some questions with the reading or personal questions, please check the link sa description box ng video na ito. There is a link. You will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per questions. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Or pwede rin namang lumabas ang zodiac sign nyo dito. I'm seeing Leo, Libra. I'm seeing Aquarius. I'm seeing Gemini, Pisces. I'm seeing Virgo. I'm seeing Scorpio. Capricorn is here. Did I just mention? Yeah, Aquarius is here. Yeah, so this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.